Hello singers, welcome to the What is My Voice Range series. In this video, we will talk about what a vocal range is, why you need to know your vocal range, how do you know which voice type you are, and other facts about voice ranges. So let's begin by discussing what a voice type range is. In singing, we have certain labels for singers to differentiate whether they sing high, middle, low, or something else. And it's important to know your voice range for many different reasons. As a soloist, knowing your voice range can really help assess whether you can sing the high or the low notes in the score that you're wanting to learn. By knowing your voice range, you can look at a song and already determine whether the song is going to be achievable for your voice, or if you need to change the key to be higher or lower. If you ever want to audition for anything, knowing how high and how low you can sing and what voice type you are is very important. For example, some auditioners will specifically ask for a voice type, such as soprano or tenor, and those people with that voice range should really be the only people auditioning for that role. It's also really important to note that if you're a beginner singer, your vocal range may not be very large, as in how low and how high. You may only have a couple of notes, but with practice and time, you may be able to extend that. So don't get too hung up on whether you can sing every single note a voice part can traditionally sing. Knowing your voice type also helps if you're in a choir or if you're in a vocal group. Typically, a choir will have more than one part, where the different voice types are split into different sections. These sections then sing different things, which create texture and harmony in the song and music. You don't want to start singing in a choir only to realize that you're singing in the wrong part and you feel uncomfortable. If that happens, and perhaps you have an alto range but you're singing in the soprano section, make sure you speak to your chorale conductor or teacher, and I'm sure that they'll be able to move you to a different section. On that note though, I've been an alto all my life, and I like to sing in the soprano areas to build my strength and confidence up in the higher notes. The big question most singers have is, what is my voice type? The most basic way to recognize what voice type you are is to think to yourself, do I like to sing high or do I like to sing low? What do you feel most comfortable singing along with? If you prefer to sing high notes, then you're probably a soprano, a mezzo, or a tenor. And if you prefer to sing lower notes, perhaps you're an alto, a bass, or a contralto. Sorry to speak jargon, I'll explain all those parts in other videos. If you're still really unsure, make sure to reach out to a music professional such as a choir teacher or music teacher, or even someone who has access to an instrument to help you. Keep in mind as you discover your range that learning to sing takes a long time and patience. Although it's very helpful to understand your range and your vocal capabilities, try not to get too hung up on details. Don't be upset if you can't exactly sing every single note that is required to be in that voice type. They're just parameters. It's never about how high and how low you can sing, it's about how well and how healthy you can. And that's it from me, guys. I'll be bringing out a video on each vocal type, and until then, happy singing.
If you enjoyed this video and want access to more free warm-ups, meditations, and other singing-related videos, make sure you subscribe. I am a new channel and any support is appreciated so I can make more material for you guys. Anyway, that's it from me. See you next time.